Hey, get your butt up. It's time to work. Yep, I'm ready. Got my tool right here ready to go.
Wow, we're upside down in our house today. How'd that happen?
You have to walk on your hands.
Did that work? No. Oh, okay. That's what we're doing today. Instead of putting regular panel up here for the ceiling, we're doing 1x3s that have been stained. We're going to do like half of the ceiling today. We are working on this section here. We got to lower this box down a little bit so the thickness of the wood will be flush and we can put up our light fixture. But what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. Whoops. And yes, we're going to be putting insulation up here. So we'll roll out our rolls, and as we continue on down, we'll just keep pulling it out. We're only going to do about half of the ceiling unless we decide to go run out and get some insulation. We have some, but that will get insulated up here. So we have to lower this so the thickness of this wood will be flush. So when we put the light fixture, it'll go down like it's supposed to. So it's a rainy day, Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, and we've been doing odds and ends. We finished both our front and back decks. We figured on a rainy day, since we can't work outside, we'll just work on putting our ceiling panels up one by one. We did screw them in and staple, and behind each of that we do have glue, wood glue up there. Then this will get trimmed out with a piece of wood up there. All inside will get trimmed out with the wood. And this is what we have. Measuring each piece to go up, marking out where the little trellises, whatever that thing is called right there, so that we can screw them and pop them in. I'll show you the finished product when we're done. But, oh yeah, we didn't show you last weekend. And there's Steve coming in. Last weekend I put up a door. Still got to trim it out a little bit more, but this is kind of what I did. This will have the trim around here. We have a pretty cool lock. From here, what you do is you just do that, and it can't come in. So all you do is pull it out, open it like that. So I still have a little bit of more work to do. I think I'm gonna just paint all of this black, this whole section here, because this trim I put up, which is nice, trying to look for brown, they didn't have it, so I'm going to be painting that so everything here matches. But I put this up last weekend. While I was doing that, Steve came here, and one of our subscribers wanted to see how we were going to cut out this door. Well, we showed you, we haven't taken off the outside metal siding yet for a reason, but this is to let the inspector know that we had to reframe this door with some new wood. We made a 36-inch 80 length screen door, which will open on the outside going that way to the deck that's out here in the back. And when we get ready to tear off, cut out the siding, we'll go out there and we will show you how we're going to do that, because this is all going to be taken off too. You see down there, this hole there, and the window that used to be up there, all down the outside's coming down. We have plenty of the rusty metal sheets right here. that we are going to put all the way up here on the inside, and on the outside we're going to do the same thing. Put that rusty wood out there so it's like framed around the door on the outside, just like it is in here. And then we'll be putting trim here as well. Clean it up, and more metal on the top there. And we got plenty of sheets down there. And I don't know if I showed you that I made out of pallet my coffee table. It was pretty simple. Sanded it down now. All I got to do is stain it. I just put some 4x4 posts that we had left over. It's pretty sturdy. We've been sitting on it so it holds our weight. But this will be my little rustic coffee table. And this is part of the gate that was left over. So it kind of looks like that. Simple. Hey, you can put your cell phone there, a little shelf there. Just not noticed that. But it's at a good height. I think it's about 24 inches tall. And a couch. You can put their feet up there if they want to. And hey, our toilet. There it is. But here's that piece of wood. It's really, really pretty. That I used to frame this door out. It's a 24-inch door. So we got that figured out. Once it gets painted, it'll look really pretty. So I got to come back in here and start working again. Steve's up there. Let's see what he's doing. He is gonna lower that so the light fixture can go up there. We've got to get a piece of wood and put it up here to bring it down. So everything will be flush and look pretty. But then we'll have to come around here with this board and make circular cuts into the board. So that'll be fun. But that's what we're doing today.
It's alright, nothing we can't handle, right?
Right, just put creative minds together. Guess what you get?
Always a problem to
Yeah,
solve.
we didn't want to put a regular mobile home ceiling panel up here so that it would look like that. Boring. So we decided this little eating area right here, we would do this. Alright, so let me get back to work.
The electrician did a horrible job at rewiring. I was shocked.
Here I am recording my carpenter / interior designer.
Yeah. On a wet, rainy day.
See, she's hard at work
Sure
doing all this
am.
carpentry stuff.
Getting all my measurements correct. I'm drilling holes in a minute. Getting ready to slather and put those boards up there.
Yep.
So, put the pencil back in my head, put some holes here. Holes.
So if you need any work done on your mobile home, Lisa's for hire.
Yeah.
She charges low rates. Ish.
I charge a little bit more if I have to come out on a rainy day like it is today. Because it is really wet today. Now we're going to put some glue and slather, put it up. And that's what we did. See, we just, look over here, we just put this up. Come up close so you can see it. Steve had to bring the box down a little bit so we can slide the wood in. So that'll be all pretty, and we have one more to do on that end.
Yep. I'll get to that one shortly.
Yeah. Other than that, we're going to go halfway because we have to get insulation, like you see up there, so we can roll it out as we go to cover up this whole ceiling.
Yep.
And then,
All right. Let's hang some boards.
did it even go on?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Did you? I pressed pause. And did you hit play?
Let me go back and check it. But it's
We
just
can
to
always
show,
look again. We got another.
yeah, the insulation as we roll it out. We're getting close to this light, like the second light over there. Using wood screws. Okay, we finished it today. Once we paint, we'll put a frame up there on the ceiling and the wall. Where it touches, it'll frame it out. But we finished it. These are the cute lights that we're putting on up. This one, some old box, so we have to put a new one up because the screws are not working. They're all stripped in this old box, so we got to put a new one up. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like, it came out pretty nice. And what you see there, the frame right there, is going to go all up around, frame it all out and look pretty after we paint everything. So that's what it looks like. I'm excited. Came out pretty.
You go, girl. You go, girl. Yeah, yeah. You go, girl. You go. You go. Uh-huh.